In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a video from a Google Drive link. This process is straightforward and will help you save important videos directly to your device. Let's get started with the first step. Open the link to the Google Drive file or folder. You might find this link in an email, a chat, or a shared document. Once you click it, your browser will direct you to Google Drive. The interface will display the contents of the folder or the specific file. If the link points to a folder, you will see a list of files contained within. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for accessing the video you want to download. Make sure you are logged into your Google account, as this will ensure you can view and manage the files. Next, locate the video you'd like to delete. If you are in a folder, scroll through the list of files to find the specific video. Each video will typically have a thumbnail, along with its name displayed next to it. If there are many files, you can use the search bar at the top of the Google Drive interface to type in the video name. This little tip can save you a lot of time. Identifying the correct video is essential, as you want to ensure you are working with the right file. Now select the video. To do this, click on the video's thumbnail or its name once. You will see the video get highlighted, indicating that it is selected. This action is necessary because it tells Google Drive that this is the file you want to interact with. Selecting the correct video is a simple yet vital step in ensuring that you proceed with the right file in the next actions. After that, look for the delete icon from the toolbar at the top of the list. This icon may look like a trash can. Alternatively, you can right-click on the video thumbnail or name and select delete from the context menu that appears. This option gives you a quick way to delete the video. It's important to note that deleting a video will remove it from your Google Drive, so make sure you really want to proceed with this action. Once you click delete, a confirmation dialog may appear. This dialog will ask if you are sure you want to delete the video. Confirming this action ensures that you are fully aware of the consequences. This additional step is there to prevent accidental deletions, which can be frustrating. After confirming the deletion, the video will be removed from your Google Drive. You may not see it immediately, but it should no longer appear in your list of files. This is an essential part of managing your storage effectively. If you need to recover the video, you can check the trash folder in Google Drive, where it may be stored temporarily. Now that you understand the steps, remember that managing your videos and files in Google Drive is key to keeping everything organized. Following these instructions will help you keep your drive clutter-free and ensure that you only keep what you need. In conclusion, being able to download and manage your videos effectively can streamline your workflow. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.